So can we substitute normal pH water totally with alkaline water in daily routine? I mean, in what quantity daily can alkaline water be used?
Okay, it's something like this. Suppose I will give a kind of an example that if a person is taking, say, in today's scenario, people are recommended, say, approximately 3 to 4 liters of water a day, with all the necessary support mechanism and with all the necessary treatments or whatever is the suggestions what doctors are giving. I would only say if somebody is taking 3 to 4 liters of water, I would say approximately 70% should be alkaline,
All right, great.
because too much of alkalinity is also because it's a simple example that human blood is actually at a pH value of 7.4, between 7.3333 to 7.4. So usually the bottled water is approximately around, which is as per the recommendations of BSI, Bureau of Indian Standards, which is probably at around say 6.5 or 6.7. So to balance in today's scenario, everybody wants to improve their immunity and with all the other lifestyle concerns. The best thing is, I think 70% with a pH value of between 8 to 9.5. And I request, don't only think about the pH value. pH value is only an indicator. We have to consider the TDS, which is inbuilt strength of the water. Second is comes the pH. Third comes basically the ORP. ORP is a very, very important factor.
I have a question. What is ORP?
Okay, I think during the presentation I had mentioned ORP is nothing but oxidation reduction potential.
It is to reduce the oxidative stress of the body?
Yes, because it is something like uh, if we go by the biology, whatever I know, people, doctors, and other people know better than me. But when we talk about it, at the basic level, it is atom, and then it converts into molecule combination by coupling or bonding, and then goes and makes up to tissues or whatever it is. Uh, the important point is the free radicals comes out because of oxidation at the atom level or probably a cell level in biological terms. So we have to give a kind of additional electrons. Like, for example, when we are down with energy, the doctors always say, please take an electrolyte. So when we're taking water, acidity is something which is removed by the hydroxyl ions, which is the first level of support system. Second level, deep down on the atom level, we have to give more strength to the water, which is given during the ionization process, means added electrons are added into that water. So if you put a millivolt meter into the water, you will get a reading that this water is containing electrons. So that is what I said, minus 250, which was recommended by one doctor, because the most absorption happens at the rectum level. And if we go by the science, what he has said, stomach is at plus 200 and sesame is at something around, I think, plus 50, and then it goes to minus 250. So it's like that if we are able to provide an environment at the stomach level itself, the first level, say probably minus 200 or minus 250, we would get a lot of big defense. So RP donates the electrons to the atoms and free radicals are removed. It's additional electrons which are separate from the hydroxyl ions which are produced. So hydroxyl ion also gives electrons because they're electron donors, but they don't have that kind of concentration because the concentration comes from the TDS of the water. So, so my only point is evaluate on the 4 points. Check the water profiling of your location. Second is alkaline water is not only a alkaline water; it has so many layers. People just take alkaline water. I can give you an example. You can make a water alkaline by only putting bicarbonate. You can put make a water only by putting what we call at something called I'm not finding the right word in English, which is called when we take that pan and all that stuff. What's called, Dr. Rajithan? Chuna. What is that called?
Yes, sir. चूना बोलते हैं उसको जो pan के अंदर लगता है.
So
Yes.
even if you put that substance into the water, the normal will get, you can get a color pH value of that. So what I can only say is, because this session is about technology, my only request is please do take care of all the parameters, not only the alkaline water. And as far as the appliances are concerned, which are there in the market, I told you, consider these points and please look at the total cost of ownership.